Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're dreaming of a kitchen makeover or just looking for some fresh design inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fantastic wooden kitchen cabinet designing ideas.
Here are some inspiring ideas for modern wooden kitchen designs that blend aesthetics with functionality: minimalist aesthetic, sleek lines, focus on flat panel cabinets with clean lines. Choose light-colored woods like birch or maple for a fresh, airy feel. Neutral palette, pair wooden cabinets with neutral colors for walls and countertops to enhance simplicity. Two-tone cabinets, contrasting finishes, use a darker wood for the lower cabinets, like walnut, and a lighter wood for the upper cabinets, like ash, to create depth and visual interest. Accent features. Add a bold-colored island or backsplash to complement the two-tone effect. Open shelving, display style. Incorporate open shelves made of wood to showcase dishware. Plants or decorative items, adding a personal touch. Combination of closed and open, mix traditional cabinets with open shelving to balance functionality and aesthetics. Rustic charm, reclaimed wood, use reclaimed or distressed wood for cabinets to create a warm, rustic feel. This style pairs well with modern appliances. Natural finishes, highlight the natural grain and texture of the wood with simple finishes. Integrated appliances, seamless look, design cabinets to integrate appliances like refrigerators and dishwashers for a cohesive appearance. Paneling, use matching wood panels to conceal appliances, making them blend into the cabinetry. Textured wood finishes, wire brushed or distressed. Choose textured finishes that add depth and character to your cabinets, enhancing the modern look. Matte versus glossy. Mix matte and glossy finishes for a dynamic visual effect. Functional islands, multi-use design. Create islands with built-in storage, seating, and additional preparation space. Consider a contrasting wood finish for the island. Stylish bar stools. Pair the island with modern bar stools to create a social hub in the kitchen. Floating cabinets, modern look. Install floating wooden cabinets to give the illusion of more space while providing additional storage. LED lighting. Incorporate LED lighting under floating cabinets to enhance the ambience and functionality. Bold colors and accents, vibrant inserts. Use colorful glass or painted wood inserts in cabinet doors for a splash of creativity. Accent walls. Match cabinet colors with an accent wall for a cohesive and striking look. Custom features, personalized storage solutions. Design cabinets with specialized storage, such as pull-out spice racks or hidden trash bins, maximizing space and efficiency. Unique hardware. Choose distinctive knobs and handles that complement the cabinet design and add a modern touch. Conclusion: modern wooden kitchen designs offer a perfect blend of style and practicality. By incorporating these ideas, you can create a beautiful kitchen space that is functional and inviting. Embrace the versatility of wood to reflect your personal style while enhancing the heart of your home.